So here's my knives. I actually got these knives and it was a second life or second chance. And the reason I wanted to get knives that were not serrated, and so these are awesome. We've actually tried them out already. They were a little scratched up because when they were returned, they got thrown. So I think this one was a little bit scratched. But I mean, for the price, it was a great price. It was a little scratched up, but again, this was second life. But these are awesome. So far, I really like them. I mean, they're a little heavy, but you can see the quality of them. So far, so good. I do think they were a really, really good price. And the reason I decided to make this video is because sometimes the videos are kind of short and people don't pull out every knife so you can look at and actually see it up close and the quality of them. And how big they are, you know. I actually have not tried the scissors yet, the cooking scissors. I'm really big on shears for cooking. This is awesome. Used it for cutting some fruit and stuff.
So the knives are great, but these scissors, like, they're like, you have to push them hard to like get them to close. They're very stiff. And they're like, you can I don't know if you can see, but like they're kind of rusty. And like we've only used them a few times. I guess from washing they got like rusted. But the knives are perfect. Like they're sharp. They work great. So I'll just be buying a new pair of scissors and just putting them in that, because we can't use this. It's dangerous.
I love my knife set. It is gorgeous. It goes with my decor. Love the aesthetics. The only thing I would say is that you have to be very careful when you put, like if they put the shears in here, you see that I've already chipped the paint. So you have to be very careful when putting them in inside their perspective space. But other than that, I love it. It looks great. It's awesome. I already used them in the dishwasher. I washed them and it hasn't rusted. So for me, it's great. I hope that keeps up where I don't have to worry about rust.
So these are probably our most used kitchen item, and I also love that they're pretty. They look really pretty on our counter. I do have one knife that's in the sink getting cleaned, or will be cleaned, but I've had this set since about 2021, so we're going on about 3 years, and it's held up great. I love that it also includes the knife sharpener, so if any knives get dull, we use that, but overall holds up well, looks great. And yeah, all the knives, I don't even think we've had to use the knife sharpener yet, so they also last a long time.
She's literally hiding us from her. I'm really glad I bought this knife set. It looks really stunning. The handles are really heavy and the knives cut really sharp.